Hello everyone and welcome back to Mila Farms. Well, just a quick spring video here today about dormant oil and the fruit trees. So what we use in the springtime to kind of combat the overwintering bug population on the fruit trees without using any harsh chemicals is just generic dormant oil. It's a mineral oil base, and you mix it with water. The particular product we use here, it calls for around 6 tablespoons of the oil for a gallon of water. And then I just buy one of these cheapo sprayers right here and mix it with the water and spray it on the fruit trees. So when we do that, you want to make sure that you get it on all of the surfaces of the fruit trees, and you want to make sure that you get it in a day that's not too windy. So we'll go ahead and take a look here. I've already mixed up this can of oil, this sprayer of oil, and we'll go put it on. So in this particular case here today, this is a peach tree, I believe, and we've got the stuff mixed up. You want to make sure you get it on all the surfaces of the tree. Today's a little breezy, but it's probably the best day we've had. And so you want to make sure you just keep coating it down on all sides, move around to the other side, and then we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the back side. It works best if you do this from several different angles to be able to hit all the different surfaces that are out there. So I usually like to move around to 3 different positions around the tree so I can try to hit all the sides. You want to pay special attention to all the cracks and crevices, especially down in like crotches of the tree and things like that, because that's where some of the bugs can hang out. So this one's just a little yearling tree right here. Trimmed it back fairly heavily, and it's got a pretty good start this year. I don't know if we'll see any fruit off of it this year, but it's looking good so far. So be sure to check out the links in the description for you can get a sprayer. I'll see if I can find some kind of dormant oil on there. But you can purchase any kind of oil if you just go into a box store or something like that and just say I want some just generic dormant oil. They'll have something on the shelf there. It's usually not very expensive at all. And go ahead and mix it up per the instructions and spray it on. That'll help you get a good head start, and that won't be harmful to any of the other critters like the bees or anything like that, since they're not even out yet, and it won't have any residue by the time they get there. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.